Hello and welcome to the next video in the series of tools for project managers, product managers and product owners. Today we're looking at Power BI. It's a reporting tool. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics service that delivers insights to enable fast, informed decisions, transforms data into stunning visuals and share them with your colleagues on any device. Visually explore and analyze data on premises and in the cloud, all in one view. Collaborate on and share customized dashboards and interactive reports. Scale across your organization with built-in governance and security. Power BI pricing in US dollars. You choose Power BI Pro. It's a self-service and modern BI, collaboration, publishing, sharing and ad hoc analysis, fully managed by Microsoft. Power BI Pro is $9.99 monthly price per user, or you could use Power BI Premium, Enterprise BI, Big Data Analytics, Cloud on Cloud Promises Reporting, Advanced Administration and Deployment Controls, dedicated cloud, compute and storage resources, allow any user to consume Power BI content. That one is $4,995 monthly price per dedicated cloud, compute and storage resource. Thank you very much for watching our video today. Please like, follow, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next video.